So you have membership-based structure?
Right now, they were setting up a new platform where will be different category of memberships. So that is a process that we're in right now. So all these things are happening very fast. They're transitions. We also opened another chapter in Madrid. So with one of the members that was in Lisbon, moved. She was from Madrid, moved back to Madrid, and she wanted to continue this sisterhood. So now we have a chapter there as well. And every month they gather there and create the bonds, just like we're doing here in Lisbon. And our goal is to keep expanding in other cities around the world because this is something that um, women want. And they say the future is feminine. Have you heard that expression? The future is feminine.
Yes, I cannot fully kind of agree with it because I believe that for the world and actually for children, there is place for men.
Yes.
Men should be in this
No,
life.
no, it doesn't mean that men will not exist because we have existed also in the past, but in the past, it was pretty much a man's world. Men were the ones that, making the big decision and drive all the
Yes.
economic forces, the political forces. But little by little, you see that women are taking more stance in politics and business, um, in environmental awareness and different things. So the future, women will be more prominent than they were in the past. It's only possible through collaboration. You're only as strong as your connection. So the more connections are made, the more we support each other, the better the process for us all. And it doesn't mean that we are separating ourselves from men because we also want to understand men as better. And this is also part of our sisterhood. We exchange thoughts about, what's working, what's not working within relationships as well, whether it's business or private relationships. But it's a collaboration. We need to do this together. So that's part of our aim to keep expanding the sisterhood and collaborate because there are so many other women organizations around the world that have existed for many years already. So it's not that one has to replace the other. No, we can join forces and collaborate, and there's room for more. There's always room for more.